igebra.ai.
I know how to count, add, and even multiply, but everything feels so predictable.
Looking for something unpredictable? Then maybe it's time you entered the world of algebra.
Algebra sounds serious. Is it another kind of math?
Oh, my friend, algebra is like math's secret language. It uses symbols and letters to solve mysteries. Algebra is the branch of mathematics which helps us work with unknown numbers. Instead of always knowing the value, we use letters like X, Y, or Z to represent variables.
Wait, letters in math?
Yes, it helps us solve puzzles, plan events, and even figure out real-life problems. Let me show you one. In this equation, X is the unknown number, and your job is to find it.
Let me try. If x plus 5 equals 10, then x must be 5.
Boom, you just solved your first algebra equation. Now let's say you had some money, spent $3 on snacks, and now have $2 left. We don't know how much you started with, right? We can write x minus 3 equals 2. Solve it. X equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. So you started with $5.
Whoa, algebra is like solving mystery.
Yes. Here are a few words every algebra detective should know. Let me show you an algebraic expression. This is 8x plus 6. X is the variable, the number we don't know yet. 8 is the coefficient. It tells us how many times x is multiplied. 6 is the constant, a number that stays the same. Together, 8x and 6 are the terms.
So this is like a math sentence with different pieces, and each one has a job?
Exactly. Algebra is full of these expressions. We can evaluate them, simplify them, and even solve them. One last puzzle before we go. Can you solve this? X plus 4 equals 7.
X equals 7 minus 4x equals 3.
Bingo. You're getting the hang of this. In our next episode, we will dive deeper into algebra.
All right, Pi, let's crack more of these math mysteries.
Welcome to Algebra, Agent 1. We've only just begun.